Imagine having a wallet full of credit cards that earn you top-tier rewards and benefits on every purchase. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a cashback enthusiast, or someone looking to optimize their daily spending, we've got the perfect cards for you. We'll rank the best and worst cards, showing you which ones deliver real value and which ones fell short. Plus, we've got some special mention cards that offer unique perks to boost your financial game. So stick around, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate credit card rankings to help you maximize your rewards effortlessly. Ready? Let's go. Before we start, here's a quick explanation. Tier S is for the best cards with top-tier rewards and benefits, while Tier D is for the least recommended cards with minimal value. Tiers A, B, and C fall in between, offering varying levels of benefits and rewards. First up, we have the Luxury Card Gold. Despite its fancy name and premium look, this card falls flat in almost every meaningful category. The Luxury Card Gold is primarily known for its metal design and luxury branding, which gives it a premium look and feel. For some, the sleek metal design can be a status symbol. However, the positives largely end there. The card comes with a high annual fee of $995, which is extremely high, especially when you consider its reward structure. The Luxury Card Gold offers a low rewards rate of just 1.5% on all purchases. This is significantly lower than what many other premium cards offer. Furthermore, there's no sign-up bonus, which is a major downside. Most premium cards come with substantial sign-up bonuses to attract new customers, but the Luxury Card Gold does not. In addition to the high annual fee and a low rewards rate, the card lacks other benefits that are commonly found in premium cards. For example, it doesn't offer travel credits, airport lounge access, or significant purchase protections. These are benefits that many users expect when they're paying a high annual fee. The lack of a sign-up bonus, combined with the low rewards rate and minimal additional benefits, makes it hard to justify the high cost of the Luxury Card Gold. There are many other cards on the market that offer better rewards, lower fees, and more perks. Because of these shortcomings, the Luxury Card Gold goes to Tier D, not recommended. It's a card that might look good in your wallet, but in terms of value and benefits, it falls short compared to the other options available. Next, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is a fantastic all-around travel rewards card that offers great value for its low annual fee. The Chase Sapphire Preferred offers a generous sign-up bonus of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's worth at least $750 in travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. This substantial bonus can provide a significant boost to your travel budget right from the start. You earn 5 times the points on travel purchased through Chase, 3 times the points on dining, 3 times the points on online grocery purchases, and 2 times the points on all other travel. This versatile earning structure makes it an excellent card for anyone who travels frequently and enjoys dining out. The ability to earn 3 times the points on online grocery purchases is also a unique and valuable feature, catering to those who do a lot of their shopping online. One of the standout features of the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the flexibility of its points. Chase Ultimate Rewards points are highly flexible and can be transferred to a variety of airline and hotel partners. This gives you the ability to maximize the value of your points by using them for travel with partners that offer the best redemption rates. This card also offers primary rental car insurance, which means you can decline the rental company's insurance and still be covered. Additionally, you get up to $50 in statement credits each account anniversary year for hotel stays purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. These travel benefits can add up quickly and provide significant value. While the multipliers outside of travel and dining are just average, the combination of travel perks, a strong sign-up bonus, and flexible points make the Chase Sapphire Preferred an excellent choice for many. The Chase Sapphire Preferred goes to Tier A. Excellent choices. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to maximize their travel rewards without a high annual fee. Moving on, we have the Apple Card. This card has gained a lot of attention, mainly due to its seamless integration with Apple products. However, it falls short in several areas. The detailed benefits of the Apple Card include earning 2% cash back on all purchases made using Apple Pay and 3% back on purchases made directly with Apple, including the Apple Store, Apple Services, and select partners like Uber and Walgreens. This is particularly beneficial for those who frequently use Apple Pay and purchase Apple products. The integration with Apple Wallet makes tracking your spending and rewards straightforward and user-friendly. However, the reward structure has limitations. If you use the physical titanium card, you only get 1% cash back on all purchases. This is significantly lower compared to many other cashback cards that offer higher rates. This makes the card less appealing for those who prefer using a physical card over Apple Pay. On the positive side, there's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no late fees, which makes it relatively cost-effective. These features can make the card attractive to users who want a straightforward, fee-free experience. Despite these benefits, the Apple Card lacks a sign-up bonus, which is a major drawback. Most competitive cards offer a substantial sign-up bonus to attract new users, and the absence of this feature makes the Apple Card less enticing in comparison. The Apple Card is ideal for Apple enthusiasts who frequently use Apple Pay and purchase Apple products. Its integration with Apple Wallet and lack of fees provide a convenient and cost-effective experience. However, the lower cashback rate with the physical card and lack of a sign-up bonus are significant drawbacks. Given these factors, the Apple Card goes to Tier C, below average. While it offers some benefits, there are better options available for maximizing rewards and benefits. Next up, we have the Discover It card. This card is a solid choice for anyone looking to earn substantial cashback in various categories without paying an annual fee. The Discover It card offers 5% cashback in rotating quarterly categories such as grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and online shopping, on up to $1,500 in purchases each quarter. This structure allows you to earn significant rewards if your spending aligns with the rotating categories. Additionally, you earn 1% back on all other purchases, which is a standard rate for non-category spending. One of the standout features of the Discover It card is the first-year cashback match. Discover will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, if you earn $200 in cashback, Discover will match it, making your total cashback for the year $400. This effectively doubles your rewards for the first year, making it an attractive option for new cardholders. Another benefit is that there's no annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for earning rewards. It's also known for its relatively easy approval process, making it accessible for a wide range of consumers. The lack of an annual fee means you get to keep all the rewards you earn, without worrying about offsetting any costs. The rotating categories require you to keep track of where you can earn the highest rewards each quarter. This can be a bit of a hassle for some users who prefer a more straightforward reward structure. Additionally, the 5% cashback is capped at $1,500 in spending per quarter, which might not be enough for some high spenders. After reaching this cap, you'll earn just 1% back on all purchases. The Discover It card is ideal for those who don't mind adjusting their spending habits to match the rotating categories. If you're looking for a no annual fee card that offers substantial cashback in key spending areas, and you want to take advantage of the first-year cashback match, this card is a great option. Given these factors, the Discover It card goes to Tier B, solid cards. It offers good rewards and benefits, making it a solid choice for many users. Now let's talk about the Capital One Venture X. This card isn't just a top contender, it's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to travel rewards. It's the perfect blend of high rewards and premium perks, making it a no-brainer for frequent travelers. The Capital One Venture X offers a standard bonus of 75,000 miles after you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. That's worth at least $750 in travel. Plus, you earn 10 times the miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times the miles on flights booked through Capital One Travel, and 2 times the miles on all other purchases. You get high rewards on travel purchases, which means you're earning significant miles whenever you book through Capital One Travel. The double miles on all other purchases is straightforward and easy to remember. Another major perk is the airport lounge access. With the Venture X, you get unlimited access to Capital One lounges and more than 1,300 Priority Pass lounges worldwide. There's also a $300 annual travel credit for bookings through Capital One Travel, which effectively reduces the high annual fee. Speaking of fees, let's address the downside of the annual fee. The Venture X comes with a $395 annual fee, which can be a tough pill to swallow. The travel credits and perks can offset this cost if you use the card strategically. The Capital One Venture X is perfect for frequent travelers who want to maximize their rewards and enjoy premium travel perks. If you travel often and can take full advantage of the lounge access and travel credits, this card will be worth every penny. This card goes to Tier S, best of the best. Next, we have the Citi Custom Cash Card. This card stands out for its unique approach to earning rewards, making it highly customizable to your spending habits. The Citi Custom Cash Card offers 5% cash back on your top eligible spending category each billing cycle, up to $500 spent, and 1% back on all other purchases. Eligible categories include restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, and more. This flexibility allows you to maximize your rewards based on your spending patterns. One of the major benefits of the Citi Custom Cash Card is its adaptability. By focusing your spending in one of the 10 eligible categories each month, you can earn significant cash back. For example, if you spend heavily on groceries one month and dining out the next, the card adjusts to give you the maximum rewards. This makes it a versatile card that adapts to your changing spending habits. Additionally, the card has no annual fee, making it a cost-effective option for earning substantial rewards without worrying about offsetting any costs. The absence of an annual fee means you keep all the cash you earn, which enhances the card's overall value. However, there are some limitations to consider. The 5% cash back is capped at $500 in spending per billing cycle. This means that after you reach this cap, you'll earn just 1% back on all purchases for the rest of the cycle. For high spenders, this cap can limit the total rewards earned. Additionally, the requirement to focus spending in specific categories each month might not suit everyone, especially for those who prefer a more straightforward reward structure. The Citi Custom Cash Card also provides additional benefits, such as contactless payment options and compatibility with digital wallets, adding convenience to its usage. Furthermore, Citi offers various protections and services, like identity theft protection and access to the Citi Entertainment Program, which provides special access to tickets for various events. The Citi Custom Cash Card is perfect for those with varied spending habits who need a card that adapts to their needs. It's especially beneficial for those who can strategically focus their spending to maximize the 5% cash back in different categories each month. If you're seeking a flexible, no annual fee card with strong rewards potential, the Citi Custom Cash Card stands out as an excellent choice. Given these features and benefits, the Citi Custom Cash Card goes to Tier A. Excellent choices. It offers a unique and customizable reward structure that can be highly rewarding for many users. Next up is the Citi Double Cash Card. This card is all about simplicity and consistent rewards, making it a solid addition to any wallet. The detailed benefits of the Citi Double Cash Card are straightforward. You earn 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy, and an additional 1% when you pay off your balance. There's no need to keep track of rotating categories or spending caps, and there's no annual fee, which means you get to keep all the rewards you earn without worrying about offsetting any costs. The Citi Double Cash Card has a simple reward structure and no annual fee. The 2% cash back on all purchases is easy to understand and can add up quickly, especially if you use the card for all your everyday spending. It's a great card for those who want a straightforward approach to earning cash back without having to think about where they're spending. The Citi Double Cash Card doesn't offer any significant perks or bonuses beyond the cash back. There's no sign-up bonus, and it lacks the travel perks or additional benefits that some other cards offer. This makes it a bit less appealing for those looking for extra features or initial rewards. The Citi Double Cash card is perfect for individuals who value simplicity and want a consistent cashback rate on all their purchases. This card is especially good for those who prefer not to manage multiple cards or track various spending categories. If you're looking for a no annual fee card with a reliable cashback rate, the Citi Double Cash card is a solid choice. This card goes to Tier B, solid cards. Finally, we have the Uber Visa Barclaycard. This card used to be a competitive option, but significant changes have rendered it much less appealing. Initially, the Uber Visa Barclaycard was attractive due to its robust rewards and benefits, especially for frequent Uber users. It offered solid cashback rates on dining, travel, and specific Uber purchases. Currently, the card offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases. While this is straightforward, it's not very competitive compared to other cards in the market. Previously, the card had specific bonuses for Uber purchases, dining, and travel, which made it a valuable option for those spending heavily in these categories. However, these benefits have been significantly reduced or removed. One of the main issues is that the card no longer has a standout feature that differentiates it from other cashback cards. The rewards rates are now mediocre at best. Without the higher cashback rates and specific bonuses that initially made it appealing, it struggles to compete with other options that offer better rewards and more valuable perks. Moreover, there is no longer a significant sign-up bonus. Many other credit cards offer attractive sign-up bonuses to entice new users, but the Uber Visa Barclaycard falls short in this area as well. This lack of a compelling sign-up bonus further diminishes its appeal. For these reasons, the Uber Visa Barclaycard is now a less attractive option. It's not as competitive in terms of rewards or benefits, and there are better alternatives available that offer higher cashback rates, more valuable perks, and attractive sign-up bonuses. This card goes to Tier D, not recommended. The Uber Visa Barclaycard has lost its competitive edge and no longer offers the value it once did, making it a less desirable choice for consumers seeking the best cashback and benefits from their credit card. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few special mention cards that didn't quite make the cut for our main tiers, but offer unique features or benefits that could be perfect for specific needs. First up is the Bilt Mastercard. This card is a game changer for renters, as it allows you to earn 1 point per dollar on rent payments with no fees, which is pretty rare. You also get 3 times the points on dining, double points on travel, and 1 point on all other purchases. Bilt points can be transferred to a range of travel partners, making it a valuable option if you're looking to maximize your rent payments. Next is Amazon Prime Visa. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper, this card is a must-have. It offers 5% back on purchases at Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market for Prime members. Additionally, you get 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases, with no annual fee aside from the cost of Amazon Prime membership. This card provides excellent value for those who spend a lot on Amazon. These special mention cards offer unique benefits tailored to specific spending habits, making them valuable additions to your credit card strategy depending on your needs. Picking the right credit card can be tough with so many options available. To help you further, we've created a separate video that narrows down the top 5 credit cards you need for maximizing rewards and benefits. Make sure to check it out next to simplify your decision-making process and find the best cards tailored to your spending habits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and reviews.